Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to schedule a message on your iPhone in iOS 18 using the new Send Later feature. Let's get into the method. To schedule a message, open the Messages app and a chat that you want to schedule the message in, and then tap on the plus icon to the left of the message box. Now look for the option called Send Later. You'll probably need to tap on More, and then it will be near the top of the list. Tap on this and then in the message box you'll see a schedule setting. Tap on this to be able to change the time and date that you want the message to send. As of making this video, you can only schedule it for up to 2 weeks ahead, but this could be changed in future iOS updates. Once you're happy with the date and time, you can tap into the message box and type out the scheduled message you want to send, and then hit the send button. You'll see it appear in the chat but with a dotted outline. This message won't send until the scheduled date and time, so if you long press on it here, you can choose Edit to make any changes, or you can select Delete and the message will never send. This feature might only work for sending between iPhones using iMessage, so if you don't see the option, the recipient may not be able to receive iMessages, but this could change in the future. That's how to schedule a message on your iPhone in iOS 18. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.